Ever wondered if you could actually make money using AI? Not hypotheticals or clickbait, real, consistent income. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I'm using free AI tools to earn $100 a day online. No coding, no fancy gear, and no fluff. Let's get into it. First up, content creation. I use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, YouTube scripts, even product descriptions. Here's the process. I enter a solid prompt, like write a blog post on top 5 side hustles in 2025. ChatGPT gives me a polished draft in seconds. I edit it, add some personal touches, and publish it on Medium or my own site. Monetize with affiliate links or ad revenue. It's fast, it's scalable, and yes, it converts. Next, a design. I use Canva's AI features to create graphics for social media, thumbnails, even digital products. You don't need to be a designer. AI suggests layouts, colors, and text. I sell these on platforms like Etsy or use them to promote affiliate content. Pro tip, use Canva's magic design and smart resize features to save serious time. Automation is where the real-time freedom happens. I use tools like Zapier and Notion AI to automate everything from posting on social media to managing client messages. It means I spend way less time on busy work and more time scaling. For example, I set up a Zap that sends AI-generated tweets every day without lifting a finger. The biggest game changer, offering AI-based services to clients. Whether it's building chatbots, optimizing content with AI, or writing sales emails, I package those skills and offer them on Fiverr and Upwork. AI gives me the output. I just refine it and deliver. Clients love the speed and I keep the margins. So yeah, $100 a day using AI isn't just possible, it's happening. And it's just the beginning. If you want to dive deeper, I've dropped a free guide in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing more real-world AI hacks you can actually use. See you in the next one.